Jamaican teachers are under attack.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It is becoming increasingly difficult not to declare that there is an attack on the teaching profession following the June 10 early morning murder of 43-year-old Bishop Gibson High School teacher Carolyn Davis-Campbell at her Melrose Mews home in Manchester. Police reports are that the educator was at home with her husband when noise was heard just outside the dwelling sometime after midnight. A short moment later, a gunman reportedly kicked in a door to the house. The police said that the victim's husband told them that he was awakened from his sleep when the bedroom door was kicked in. He reportedly rolled from the bed as the gunman fired several shots. He subsequently discovered that his wife had been hit multiple times. The husband escaped injury while the police recovered 5 spent casings from the scene. This most unfortunate development is just the latest in a slew of tragic incidents involving teachers in recent times. As Samuel Martin, a 41-year-old St. Joseph's Teachers College lecturer, went missing on Good Friday, the 19th of April. After days of searching, his decomposing body was found on April 25th in bushes in the Juno Crescent section of Maypen, Clarendon, with the hands and feet bound and his body doused with gasoline. On Teachers' Day, May 8th, 35-year-old grade 6 Belmont Park Primary School teacher Clevon Campbell and his teenage nephew were shot at their house in Bridgeport, St. Catherine. Armed men reportedly broke into their house at about 3:15 a.m. and shot Campbell and the teenager before making their escape. Campbell later died. A grade 4 teacher at Rumble Primary School in Manchester was allegedly chopped several times by her common-law husband at their home in Mandeville on the 29th of May. 8-month-old Roisin McPherson was also chopped in the incident and later died. 33-year-old Inwood High School science teacher SALONIE Plummer was shot and killed along with her 35-year-old sister Simona Plummer on the 9th of June after gunmen gained entry to their home on Keats Avenue in Duhaney Park, St. Andrew. While Reid-Johnson, the principal of St. Hilda's High School in Brownstone, St. Anne, was treated in hospital after being chopped on the hand by a robber wearing a mask on the school compound on the 20th of June. The intruder breached the security system on the compound of the all-girls boarding institution.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.